Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to the online class of Salam College, School and College. I hope that you are well. Now I am going to discuss about division. So our today's topic is division. I am writing the title on the board. Dear students, look at the board. Number 1. 58 divided by 5. So how can we solve the problem? We know the times table of 5. 5 into 1 equals 5. 5 into 2 equals 10. This is the tens column. Tens column not exceed 5. So we can't allow this number. We also allow 5. So 5 into 1 equals 5. Now the ones column, 8 down. Again times table 5. Look at the board. This is not allowed. 10 and 5 not allowed because 10 and 15 is exceed 8. So we can put 5. 5 into 1 equals 5. Then we can subtract 5 from 8. So this is the traditional method, and it is called 5 is called divisor, D-I-V-I-S. Divisor. It is dividend. And it is called quotient, and it is called remainder. Okay, students, we can know the law of dividend. Dividend equals divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, students, dividend is 58. This left side we can write dividend equals 58 equals divisor is 5. So we can write 5 here into quotient is 11. So we can write 11 here plus remainder is 3. You can multiply 5 into 11 equals 55 plus 3. 55 plus 3 equals 58. So left hand side and right hand side are same. And this is the formula of dividend. This is the formula of dividend. So this is the traditional method, and I will show you the international method. Look at the board. This is the one digit number. So one digit number we can take the tens column. This is the one digit. Here is 5. So we can multiply 5. 5 into 1 equals 5. 5 into 2 equals 10. So we can get 5, not allowed 10. So 5 1 equals 5. Then we will subtract 5 from 5 equals 0. We can down the another one once from ones column 8 down. Now we can multiply 5 into 1 equals 5. So we can put here only 5. 5 into 1 equals 5. Here 3. So this is the international method. International method and traditional method, both are the same, almost same. So it is the quotient dividend divisor and this is the remainder. Just I hope that you understand very well. Look at another one, but 2. Nine, 4, 6 divided by 3. You can solve this by traditional method. 3 divided by 946. At first we can count 9. For 9 we can multiply, you know the times table, 3 into 3 into 1 equals 3, 3 into 2 equals 6, 3 into 3 equals 9, 3 into 4 equals 12. So here the digit is 9, so we can get 9. This is not allowed. So we put 3 here. 3 into 3 equals 9. Then we subtract 9 minus 9 equals 0. Then then 4 down. Then look at the tens table, 3. which digit will you take? We can take 3. 3 into 1 equals 3. If you take the digit 6, but it is larger than 4. So we didn't take 6. Then we will subtract 4 minus 3 equals 1. Then the 6 down. Then the digit will be 16. We can multiply another one. 3 into 5 equals 15. 3 into 6 equals 18. Dear students, whose digit will you take? I think we will take 15. If we take 18, it is larger than 16, so it's not allowed. So we can take 15. Then 3 into 5 equals 15. Then the remainder is 1. Quotient is 315 and dividend is 946 and divisor is 3. Dear students, this is chapter 4 and open it please. Open at page 49. '48. 50, 51, and this is your homework and try to do it at home. So dear students, no more today. Take care.